Hello everyone. So this is my Arnav's Happy World channel. So I have started this video so late at night because we need to make a Ganesha out of this, a clay. I have mixed it with colors. Look, some shades of purple, green, orange, white and all, blue. Okay, so let's not delay and get on with it. First, we need a circle. It should look something like in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Look, it should look something like this. And then we need something like, we need to take out like this some part, or if it's too much you can put some, like, we need to roll it like this and make it like this. It's not going to fit, so I'm just going to take out some more, and then we are going to roll it again. It should look something like this. Okay, so it should look like this something. You can just make it like bend the Ganesha's nose, like if it ionize little bit too much the clay, just putting it back, and it should look something like this. Okay, so now we need the body. For the body you will need a lot of clay. Good that I have a bunch of clay. Like, you will need this much, and then roll it into a ball. I will just roll it into a ball. It looks like a squished mango right now. So I will just roll the ball in 3, 2, 1. Boom shakalaka. Look, it should look like this. And then you have the head part, and then stick it onto it like this. My god, why is this nose so long? I just put a lot of it in it. Just a minute. Yep, it's done almost. Done. And now we need the eyes. Okay. So you will need very less clay. Out of this. Okay. You will need like only this much clay, you could say. Let's just put it on and see. Yep, the same exact. Now for the other eye you need exact same amount of the clay. Just gonna roll it now. Is it same? Yep, it's same. And if, oh my god, nope, it's not same. Okay, it's okay. And yep, it's done. It took a lot of time sorry for that. So now you may need to make the legs. This is going to be a little tricky part. I know about this Ganesha because I have done this in school, in first standard or in senior KG. You will need like an amount of clay like this, then just do it like and make it into like this, and then we need to, but this is a bit tricky part. You cannot just say that it's very simple. It's the trickiest part I have completed in in my life. It's so tricky. And now I'm gonna put this leg. It should look something like this on these legs. Just a minute. And yep, it's done. It should look like this. And then you can make the same amount of the hand. We will take like this or the same amount and then make it like this, and then we need to put the hands on like just a minute, like this, and then you can take some very like less and then like turn it into a ball like the smallest, like the amount you took for the eye. And if you, it's a type of modak, we are making a modak on the Ganesha's hand. Okay, so we have done the right hand, and this, it will look like this with the modak in the hand. And then we need to make the other hand, and we are gonna quickly make this hand and then come back. Boom! Look, both hands are on, and we could make a mukut. I don't really remember how to make a mukut, but let's just try. We will need like this amount. It should be as big as the head. So first I will, you can make it like, decorate it like any way you like, and then after making it into a ball, just put like this on the top. It should look like this, and then you can decorate it with some dots of the clay on it. So I will just quickly decorate it with dots with clay in 3, 2, 1, boom! It should look something like this. And now let's put it on the Ganesha's head. Like I should press it some, and then it should look like this. It's more looking like a cap, but forget it. But at least we made the mukut. And if you want to make a Mushak Raja, you of course know. First you need some body like this, and then make the body like something like this, and then you need this much amount of clay. I'm going to quickly make the Mushak and show it to you in 3, 2, 1, boom! It should look something like this, but mine is looking like a tiny cat. But forget it, at least we made the Mushak. And then for decorating, you can take some you can just make like a plate of clay. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a big hole of this. I'm going to show it to you in just a minute. Okay, so mine does not look like a plate. It looks like, and done. I'm not making a plate of modak, but this is the seat of Ganesh ji. So it should look almost like this. I'm just going to show the camera. It should look like this. So this was today's video. If you liked it, please comment down below. Thank you.